Now that we've walked through the vision experience or course that's not just for the new year, but anytime, any place, anywhere throughout your year, let's get into talking about vision boards. And not only that you've walked through the framework, but also the different practices now, you'll be creating the vision board with a different feeling. And then beyond the vision boards, you'll start to get different downloads on how to align your specific goals and next steps as well. And if you didn't yet know, canva.com has free vision boards that you can create with templates, 100% customizable, millions of photos, and easily downloadable, and or you may share or get them printed. And this is not sponsored by Canva. It's simply a tool that I love to use for many different things. And you can go to canva.com/create/vision-boards, and or you can simply Google Canva vision boards. And as you can see now, I'm showing different examples and what they currently show. And these are some of the templates that they have. And I'll give you an interactive play on what comes up on Canva so you can see. And you can find different images on Canva. You can also use, of course, your own images that you might have of something similar that you want to create. And then you may also use an incredible tool that I also use called Unsplash that is also completely free. So you can see now all the different templates and styles that exist to create different photo collages or vision boards. Like this one, you can easily see how easy it is for me to change and put vision board or literally put nothing and leave the images to be themselves and my own particular background of how I might create it, but yours may be totally different. You may have loved the soft pink. Or another dynamic might be, and let me search specifically by vision because obviously some came up with birthday. So I want to search specifically by vision or vision board. So now you can see some specific ones as well, like this beautiful one that has images of health, images of a marriage, beach and travel, children, businesses or finance, and then a beautiful home and or office space. Versus this one. And some of them, like this one is a pro, so it may prompt you to enter into a trial or whatnot. You can see that by the symbols here, but the rest of these are free. So this one, for example, shows, again, travel, food, a pet. And you can see here, if you're not that familiar with Canva, you can print your designs. I've actually printed different photo albums and different things for my travels. Here's one that's a pro that's a little bit more traditional with a vision board and has a little bit more specifics, but you can see how easy it is to create as well. This one looks like it's that tacked with thumbtacks on a wall. Then you can see some other ones. This one is a pro, but I like this one too. It's the pink kind of style, manifest, peace of mind. So you can see many, many different designs and examples. This one is a video type one that shows like some movement as well, or some animation rather with the love and the heart. Then this one is a little bit simpler. It just has 4 different blocks and styles. Here's one that is similar to like maybe for children, like if you're having your children go through one. So you can see there's many, many, many different examples that are specific to vision, but also to your own. And if you didn't know, you can actually download the Canva app on your phone in order to create a vision board on your phone and or for different things. Of course, socially are different things. Here's another beautiful one focus on fitness, create wealth, spend time with friends. If you want to put specific things, on there, like specific countries you might visit, or different places you want to live or travel to, or different amounts of money you want to bring in, or community into your life. So many different ways that you can take this practice. And I'm simply sharing examples because I want you to honor that process, like whatever that looks like to you. And then I would encourage you to keep it as a screenshot on your phone, and to also have it on your wall or somewhere nearby so it is front and center so you look at it often. Beyond Canva and getting it printed, some other avenues that you can always do with vision boards and visualization is look for a local event on Eventbrite or Meetup, or even maybe host one yourself that you can create. I have attended some in Atlanta. I've done some on an Eventbrite that I've gone to at different spas or studios. The apartments that I actually live in now in Atlanta, they are hosting and creating the space for a vision workshop coming up. I recently attended one online, and then I have one that I modified slightly from a workshop I went to. And then I hosted one last year with a platform completely online with others as well, that's somewhat similar to this experience, but this experience actually is a lot more in depth. That one lasted, I was going to say about probably an hour or so, and did include elements of what I included here, but it was a lot less. And that's probably also, or not probably, it's a reflection of my growth from last year into this year. And then you may also want to explore different actual vision kits or vision books online as well. And this year I ended up really diving deep into a vision week myself, and then sharing on the blog and show, and then deciding to intentionally create this workshop for others on platforms as well, so that you can immerse yourself in a vision experience, whether it's for the new year, whether it's quarterly, whether it is monthly, however often you choose to create it. I hope you have enjoyed this vision course, this vision experience. Would love to get reviews, would love to see what you are creating, what's manifesting in your life, what your dreams and desires are, how things are shifting, no matter when you listen to this experience as well. And thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, friends, remember, create, transform, and inspire you